Let's fix something in the house that's been bothering me forever. My coffee grinder. In the morning, I like my coffee. I like whole bean coffee. I like to grind it fresh. My problem is, my little grinder here has this awful tray in it. It's just too small. So I get like 1 or 2 days of grinding out of this, and then I gotta fill it back up. I'm just tired of filling it up. I'm gonna try to take this, jam it onto here, get myself some more coffee storage. I feel like just taking the lid and an old plastic container and bolting into it will solve all my problems. Or will it? I mean, it seems easy enough. I just need to attach this to this, but there's a bit of a concave to this, and then this edge here, which means it won't sit flat against this. I've been watching a lot of This Old Tony videos. And I thought it might be time to try to do some milling. Ooh, shiny. I'm just gonna mill off the top 1/8 of an inch of this, just to make it sit in a little bit flusher. I'll pick a nice slow speed because I don't want to burn the plastic. No, I'm not. It's a drill press. So, a quick trip to Lowe's. Because as usual, you can't have what you need on hand at all times. At the hardware store, I found this little gasket. Problem was, it was $4. What am I, stupid? Apparently. Let's start off by taking this impossibly expensive $4 piece of foam and make it the same size as the bottom of that. There, like magic, the ring's cut out. Well, 4 holes, no cracks. I had to buy some nuts and bolts, no big deal. I mean, they're cheap, but you just never have the ones you need on hand. I wish I could be like Adam Savage and just have all these bolts on hand instantly, but not using washers. Crazy talk, right? There. Now we just need to drill that out. And what's my weapon of choice? This big hole saw. Let's see how badly I can screw everything up now. That was kind of scary because it moved on me. But now we got a hole inside of a hole in the hole. Dear Liza, dear Liza. There. All right, let's sort of assemble this hunk of mess. All I'm doing right here is taking the container and the lid of the coffee grinder and the gasket and assembling them together with some screws. Let's shiny up this turd and call it a day. Now I've got 2 bags of this coffee. Let's see how much it holds. That's all the sweet, fruity, and well-balanced medium bean I can handle. Hey, check out some of these up. Hey, check out these videos over here.